from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I'm talking about contraflow systems. Now, a contraflow system is a temporary system where it allows traffic to flow in opposite directions but on the same carriageway. So that could be while one side of the motorway is being repaired or having some roadworks done to it. So it allows the traffic to flow onto the other side of the carriageway to keep the traffic moving. Now, these are usually coned off areas and the lanes are usually narrow, so it's important to keep a safe following distance, get in your lane early and stay in your lane, and also observe any temporary speed limit signs that may be there. If you found this information useful, then please give it a like. If you've got any videos you'd like us to make, then please leave a comment below. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop, or join our online theory training course at www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.